Introducing the most advanced robotic mower yet, Flymo UltraLife. It learns, maps and adapts to your lawn. With its powerful Lona AI technology, it intelligently navigates even complex garden layouts, protecting delicate spots like flower beds or play areas, and learns about which zones to mow less or more frequently. With passage sense, it can even tackle narrow areas down to 60 centimeters wide. Open up a whole new world of smart gardening with Duo Connect, two great ways to access your UltraLife. Choose from Bluetooth or the interconnected Gardena Smart System. The Flymo Bluetooth app lets you control your UltraLife from home for quick and simple access. The Gardena Smart app, together with Gardena Gateway, provides a whole host of additional possibilities, from voice control to smart irrigation systems. You can even allow the intelligent smart sensor to track the temperature and soil moisture and decide when it's time to water your lawn. Or you can choose to manually control your water tap remotely through your app. Gardening has never been this smart. Achieve a perfect close edge cut, even at solid edges. Two unique discs work together, producing a truly perfect finish that cuts close to the edge and down to only 1 centimeter. There's no need to empty the UltraLife. It leaves behind small clippings to help naturally fertilize your lawn, making for a healthy lawn and hassle-free finish. And with its specially designed low-noise motor, you won't even be disturbed, and neither will the neighbors, leaving you to enjoy your garden at all times. Safety features are built in. Advanced sensors work overtime, so any tilt, lift or collisions are detected, bringing the blades to an immediate stop. Take the smartest route to a beautiful lawn and garden. UltraLife, Ultra You. Flymo.